Meetings, deadlines, daily routines. My life is full and I'm grateful for it. But time to time, I need to pull the plug. I need to get away to a place where the only deadline is the sunset. This is the story of that escape, a personal challenge to see if I can get true myself back by simplifying world down to just a bike, a tent, and the path directly in front of me. So, come with me. The transition is almost immediate. With every kilometer the train travels, a layer of stress just melts away. This journey isn't just about covering distance, it's about creating distance. From the person I have to be from Monday to Friday. The open coach is just incredible. You feel the transformation of the white valley into green hills. And then you climb the mountains, cut rocks, and fly over bridges until you feel gorgeous mountain Ötcher. So finally I'm here, back to my favorite place, last warm days of September, and this is my solo retreat for 2 days. Surprising or not, but there are a lot of people here today. I expect to have an empty beach, but yeah, same time nobody swims, or almost nobody swims, so I guess the water is really cold. Finally I go to the camping. It warms my heart because I really love it and I really like to spend time here. Today I'm alone and my son called me a few hours ago. It broke my heart because we want to go together this time, but he got sick and he almost recovered, but still doctor didn't let him go because of cold night. He called me and said, "Look, here how I'm coughing. I'm coughing so good, maybe you should take me with you." Yeah, it was heartbreaking, but yeah, this time I have my solo trip. With the camp set, the first part of the ritual is about doing nothing. It's about being present. This is where I have my most important meetings, the ones with myself. No distractions, just time to think, to plan, to breathe. I'm going on a short hike next to the river. The route goes a little bit above, which is quite nice because you can see the lake now. To be alone a little bit hurts, but it's necessary sometimes, this kind of solitude. With clear minds, you can think without any pressure, and yeah, I like it. The way back I'll take next to the lake. It's calm now, maybe I'll see some fish there. Unfortunately, too many waves, so I cannot really see any fish inside, but still water is super crystal clear. Sunday morning, right before sunset. I'm gonna catch the beauty of lake. I really want to swim now, but with all my clothes it's a little bit chill. It's not cold, but it's not warm enough to really take off and swim. So let me walk around. Maybe I will challenge myself in a couple of minutes. Maybe to get warm, I will start with the cup of the hot tea. This is absolutely wild. The lake is just like a mirror. Yeah.
You know, you can look at this lake from the shore all day long, but you get a completely different perspective out here. It's a good reminder. Sometimes you need to change your viewpoint to see things more clearly, to see things differently.
I'm saying goodbye to the camping and goodbye to the next summer probably. And now I'm really thrilled because yeah, the trip I have now in front of me is really not easy. So the road is very challenging, so 1000 meters elevation in next 30 kilometers or so. I have a backpack with me, almost 20 kilos, my tent, all this stuff, and I also have e-bike, so it just compensates probably my heavy gear. So I've got a problem. Oh, my back just teared apart. Wow. Wow. Oh, need to fix it. Okay, I fixed it. I put plastic bag inside. It's good that I have one with me and additional straps, so I hope it will help me. I always have temptation to shortcut using the normal road because every time the road goes up. But every time the road goes up, I see this absolutely insane views. So yes, it's worth it absolutely. The whole trail is one entire adventure. So many things, landscapes, trees changing. Fantastic, it's just fantastic.
Some mountain streams are completely empty. I think they have only water when it's raining.
Whew. One of my achievements, I passed 1000 meters, not elevation but just a level. It was just here and I need a break. It's tough. This is my final highest point, and then I go down all the way. Ooh, this is it. Such a beauty. Wow. So I did it finally. I'm here. Wow.
We all have our ways of dealing with a busy life, and this is mine. I highly recommend it. Find a place that challenges you, or just repeat my journey and go there alone. That gives you space to think. You'll be amazed of what you will come back with.
Like this video if you enjoyed the adventure, and tell me in the comments what is your favorite way to unplug. Subscribe to my channel and let's find the next adventure together.